Join me as I take on the challenge of finding and racing America's fastest vintage rides from the 50s. In this video, we'll explore America's fastest vintage rides from the 1950s, highlighting their unique features and the legacy they've left on automotive culture. While many people admire classic cars for their style, few realize just how powerful and fast these vehicles were compared to their contemporaries. The 50s was a time of innovation and excitement in the automotive world, with manufacturers pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Many of these classic cars were capable of reaching speeds that would be impressive even by today's standards. Their powerful engines and sleek designs made them the epitome of cool back in the day. The 50s was also an era of iconic American muscle cars, with legendary brands like Ford, Chevy, and Pontiac leading the charge. These cars weren't just about looks, they were built for performance, with features like V8 engines and advanced transmissions. Car enthusiasts of the time took great pride in their vehicles, often modifying them to squeeze out even more power. This spirit of competition and innovation helped drive the development of some of the fastest cars on the road. The cultural impact of these vintage rides cannot be overstated. They symbolized freedom, rebellion, and the open road, capturing the imagination of a generation. For many, owning one of these classic cars was a dream come true, representing a ticket to adventure and excitement. Even today, these cars continue to inspire and thrill car enthusiasts around the world. We'll take a closer look at iconic models like the 1957 Chevy Bel Air, the Ford Thunderbird, and the Pontiac Bonneville, discussing their specifications, speed records, and what made them stand out. The 57 Chevy Bel Air, for example, was known for its powerful V8 engine and smooth handling. The Ford Thunderbird, or T-Bird, was a sleek and sporty car that could reach speeds of over 115 miles per hour. The Pontiac Bonneville, meanwhile, was famous for its impressive acceleration and top-end speed. The Bonneville's impressive performance capabilities earned it a reputation as one of the fastest cars of its time. With its powerful V8 engine and aerodynamic design, it was a force to be reckoned with on the open road. The Thunderbird, on the other hand, was more than just a fast car. It was a style icon with its sleek lines and sporty vibe. The Chevy Bel Air, with its comfortable ride and powerful engine, was a favorite among car enthusiasts who wanted both performance and style. The moment we reveal which vintage ride was the fastest, backed by performance statistics and thrilling anecdotes from car enthusiasts. The fastest of them all was the Pontiac Bonneville, which could reach speeds of up to 124 miles per hour. This impressive performance was due in part to its advanced engine design and lightweight construction. For many car enthusiasts, the Bonneville represents the ultimate vintage ride, combining speed, style, and a healthy dose of nostalgia. The Bonneville's speed record was a major achievement for Pontiac, showcasing the brand's commitment to performance and innovation. This iconic car has left a lasting legacy in the world of classic cars, continuing to inspire and thrill enthusiasts to this day. Whether you're a seasoned car buff or just a fan of vintage style, the Bonneville is an unforgettable piece of American automotive history. To wrap up, we'll recap the incredible speeds of these vintage rides and their impact on today's car culture, emphasizing the nostalgia and innovation they represent. If you enjoyed this look at America's fastest vintage rides, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on classic cars.